You are wondering how skaters land switch heel flips all the time, and that there's probably also a secret to get this trick consistently. And that is why I am here today to teach you the 2 secrets that every pro skaters use in order to get switch heels on lock. This first tip is the utmost important one for this trick, and I see literally no one talking about this when they learn switch heels, even though it is the most important part. So you may have realized when you see pros doing switch heels, they have all of their body turned with their front shoulder going over their board like this. And this is the main reason why people cannot land switch heels when they're learning it, because they do not know that they need to have this exact position of the body in order to get that flick correctly. Even myself, I was stuck on this trick for more than 4 to 5 months, and only until my friend Bubto from Barcelona taught me that I needed to put my body backwards as if I was going to do a backside 180, and only then I could actually land this trick. What you have to do is to have all of your body leaning forward with your front shoulder hanging over your board as if you're going to do a backside 180. So this position will allow your front foot to flick the board perfectly, as it will be aligned with your shoulder in the direction of the heel flip. I always saw so much people struggling to learn this trick, and that is only because they do not have that body position. Yeah, so here, take a look how I'm completely leaning forward with that shoulder over the board to get that flick. You can see as well where I'm leaning forward, putting pressure on the toes while keeping that shoulder inside to get that perfect switch heel flip. Here's also a perfect example where you can see his shoulder is always inside during the whole trick. And here's another one from Mickey Papa with that same body movement. God damn, that was a good switch heel. Yeah, so the second trick tip is for the foot positioning, where your front foot has to be angled. As your body is also slightly angled, your front foot will have to be in that angle as well in order to hit that board perfectly to get that full rotation. So here you can see in these clips that my front foot is slightly angled in the direction of the heel flip. If you put these 2 tips together, you will realize that this trick is a lot easier than it looks. As all the pros use this secret in order to get this trick all the time, you can too. And most people don't even know that these trick tips exist, and that is why they fail and fail again to land this trick when they're learning switch heels, and that is why I taught it to you today. So go subscribe right now, as I'm going to reveal new secret tips every week. Let me know in the comments which trick tutorial do you want to see next week, and without further ado, go land your switch heels right now and thank me later. Poof.